Step-by-step guide. Unboxing and installation of Beyond Microplasma Air Purifier. To open the carton of Beyond Microplasma Air Purifier that you have purchased, you should place the carton at upright position on a flat surface, such as the floor or a sturdy table. Carefully cut the yellow strapping band and remove the security seal from the carton. Open the carton flaps on top to take out a zipper plastic bag containing a remote control with a unit of lithium battery, plus an operation manual and a warranty card. Unzip the small zipper plastic bag to take out the remote control and the lithium battery. Insert the battery correctly into the battery holder in the remote control. Then, take out the operation manual. You are advised to read and understand the safety precautions on page 1 and 2 of this manual before installing and operating the unit. Please keep the operation manual at a convenient place for easy reference. Remember to keep the warranty card properly. The warranty only covers manufacturing defects and only the electrical components including ion generator, fan motor, PCB, printed circuit board, and LED, light-emitting diode, indicators for a period of 1 year from the date of purchase and does not apply to accessories such as filters, power cord, plugs, etc. If there is any problem on the parts covered by this warranty within the 12 months after purchase, you can send back to HQ for free repair or service by enclosing the warranty card. Next, take out the main unit from the carton. It is covered by a plastic bag. Then, gently lift it up from the plastic bag and place it on a clean, flat surface. Now, you need to open up the main purifier unit to unwrap the filters in the unit. The steps should be: firstly, place your thumbs at the bottom left and right of the main purifier unit. Unlock the front panel from the main purifier unit gently with the rest of your fingers. Do not use excessive force to prevent from damaging the front panel. Then, lift the front panel upward slightly to detach the front panel from the main unit. Take out the filter set consisting washable pre-filter, nano silver filter, activated granular carbon filter and the true HEPA filter from the main purifier unit. The whole filter set are wrapped in a plastic bag. Cut open the plastic bag to take out the filter set, then fix the filter set back into the air purifier. Now, you need to fix the front panel of the unit back into position. The steps are: firstly, place the unit standing upright on a level surface. Secondly, gently place the front panel on the tabs at the top part of the main purifier unit. Third, gently press the bottom part of the front panel to clip into the main unit slots to ensure proper fit. After you have found the ideal spot at your house to place the Beyond Microplasma Air Purifier, you can connect the power cord to the power source. Please refer to the operation manual's product use safety precaution to determine where you should place the unit to ensure its optimal function. One important note is keep it away from heat sources and sunlight. Once you on the power, Beyond Microplasma Air Purifier is now in operation to remove air pollutant and improve the air quality in your home with its multi-stage air filtration system and Beyond Microplasma Ion Technology. You can use the remote control to adjust the mode that you prefer, such as selecting the clean mode or fresh mode, the fan level whether auto, low, medium or high, and the timer, either 1, 4 or 8 hours. Regular maintenance and proper use will ensure long-lasting performance and durability of Beyond Microplasma Air Purifier, so that you can enjoy cleaner, fresher, healthier air at the comfort of your home. Always refer to the operation manual for specific cleaning instructions and troubleshooting if necessary.